Garlic, known for its pungent aroma and distinctive flavor, has been revered for its numerous health benefits for centuries. This small but mighty bulb is a rich source of essential nutrients, including vitamins C and B6, manganese, and selenium. However, the real star of garlic's nutritional profile is allicin, a potent sulfur compound that is formed when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is responsible for many of garlic's health benefits, including its powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Garlic is also well known for its heart protective effects, as it can help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol levels, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, garlic may bolster the immune system, combat inflammation, and contribute to better digestion. Incorporating garlic into your daily cooking not only enhances the taste of your dishes, but also provides a natural and flavorful way to support your health. However, it's essential to note that while garlic offers numerous benefits, excessive consumption can lead to strong breath odor and digestive discomfort, so moderation is key.